Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel GS Veda. Today we are going to discuss some of the very important MCQs or the previous year's questions of SSC, Railways and other PCS exam. This session is going to be very important because these questions are repeated in various exams. So please go through the video, and this class is presented by me, Madhurima. And yeah, in the last class I forgot to mention some of the important points of some of the important facts of their religious practices. Now see, no temples were unearthed from the Harappan culture, and so the scholars suggest that they did not worship in the temples. And since various religious elements were found in the Harappan culture, mature Harappan culture, it is believed that there might have been no religion at all. The state was of secular nature. It is also believed that. Is it clear? Okay, now let's proceed. So let's begin with the MCQs. Now see, the Harappan civilization was discovered in the year. So these are the questions that I have taken from some of the previous year exams. Okay, either it has come in SSC or Railways or some other PCS exam. So I have not made this question by myself. I have taken the previous year's question because the previous year questions are very important. Okay, the Harappan civilization was discovered in the year. I have already discussed with you all. It is in 1921. That is the Harappan the discovery of Harappa is considered to be the discovery of the Harappan civilization or the Indus civilization. Now Lothal is a site where dockyard of which of the following civilization were found? Is the Indus civilization. The people of Indus civilization usually build their houses of stone, no. Pakka bricks, wood, no. Yes, pakka bricks because pakka bricks are baked bricks. The Indus civilization was non-Aryan because it was urban. It has a pictographic script. It had an agricultural economy. It extended up to the Narmada Valley. The correct answer will be it was urban. The local name of Mohenjo-daro, I already discussed with you all. It is the Mound of the Dead. So moving on to the next page. Now, which of the following animals were not presented on the seals and terracotta art of the Harappan culture? Now, if you don't remember this, if you don't remember the animals, then you can remember the seal of Pashupati Shiva that we discussed. In that seal, the animals were the rhino, tiger, elephant, buffalo, and 2 deers. Then rhino, tiger, and elephant. That means since it was in the seal, that means these were represented in the seal. Now, cow was the only animal which was not mentioned in that seal. That means the answer will be cow. Now, Harappa is located on the bank of which river? We already discussed it. It is on the bank of river Ravi. Remains of horses have been found from Surkotada. It is in Gujarat. Now, what was the strength of Indus economy? It is agriculture. So now let's move on to the next page. Then the worship of Mother Goddess was related to. So Mother Goddess was the main female deity of the Indus civilization, which we already discussed. Now, whose statue was an important creation of the Indus people? Nataraj, no. Buddha, no. Dancing girl, yes. The Great Bath was found at Mohenjo-daro. We already discussed it. Again, the biggest building of Mohenjo-daro is Great Granary, not Great Bath. Okay. The script of Indus civilization is not Brahmi, not Tamil, not this one also. It is unknown because it is not deciphered yet. Mohenjo-daro is situated on the banks of river Ravi, no. Bias, no. Ghagar, no. It is on the bank of river Indus. The famous figure of a dancing girl found in the excavation of Mohenjo-daro was made up of terracotta, steatite, yes, bronze. It was made up of bronze. While discussing about this features of Mohenjo-daro, I told you that it was made of that questions like this are asked. The Indus was specialized in town planning. We already discussed it. Okay. The earliest city to be discovered in the Indian subcontinent is Harappa. An advanced water management system of Harappan times has been unearthed at Dholavira. We already discussed it. From which one of the following phases places, remains of wells has been found in the houses of Indus civilization. It's from Mohenjo-daro. We already discussed about it. Yes or no? The archaeological finds from Alamgirpur in Ghaziabad district of Uttar Pradesh reflected here. We discussed that Alamgirpur is the easternmost extent of Harappan civilization. So your answer will be Harappan culture. Is it clear? Next page. A copper chariot of Harappan times was discovered at Daimabad. I already told you while discussing about Daimabad. That one question came about this topic. That's why I included Daimabad in the slides. The largest site of Indus civilization, it is Rakhigari, not Mohenjo-daro. Largest site outside India is Mohenjo-daro. But overall the largest site of Indus civilization is Rakhigari. It is in India, in Haryana. Now, who discovered the Indus civilization? Indus civilization was discovered by Dayaram Sahini. We already discussed it. Now, out of the following remains excavated in Indus Valley, which one indicates the commercial and economic development? Answer is seals. Okay. So, we have come towards the end of our video. I hope you liked it. These are the most important questions that are frequently asked in most of the exams, even in the state government exams also. So if you like the video, please like and share it and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any doubt, please ask in the comment section. And thanks for watching. In the next video, I am going to discuss about the Vedic culture. Slowly we will discuss about polity also, then geography, economy also. But let me finish a little bit of history, then we will proceed to the other subjects. Thank you.